Welcome to this brief wisdom meditation. Taking the time to bring ourselves to the present moment. Either sitting on a cushion, on a floor, on a chair, on a couch or bed. Seeing if we can sit relatively upright and embodying those qualities of being upright and dignified in whatever particular form that might take. Becoming comfortable in your chair or on the floor, sitting with a straight, easy posture, allowing your body to become still and calm. Taking note of any sensations in the body that you may be aware of at this time, even if they don't necessarily coincide with being still and calm, and noticing those as well. Bringing your attention to breathing. Simply watching the process of the air flowing all the way down without any strain or pull, and then flowing gently back out again. Allowing the breath to lead you to a place of awareness of what's inside, awareness of what's here. As you breathe in, allowing yourself a very gentle smile. As you breathe out, experiencing a moment of peace. As you breathe in, smile. As you breathe out, experience peace. Finding a space within yourself that allows you to experience a sense of total awareness of you. That includes all parts of who you are. Your physical body, your thoughts, your emotions, your judgments, your fears, your cravings. A relaxed awareness of the things you don't like, as well as the things you love. Letting this awareness expand and move deeper. Finding the place of self that is there beneath the surface concerns, worries, experiences. Let yourself trust being in that place. Let yourself trust that all of what you are, have been, have ever experienced, have learned from, have been blessed by, is accessible in some way to that awareness. Rest in that space. Now let that sense of inner wisdom begin to expand, to spread out from the center, to connect with the space of the room, to include the others in the room, to expand outward from here infinitely, touching, opening up to the wisdom that is in the world and in the space around the world and the space that is in the universe. As you breathe, say to yourself, breathing in, I know that I am alive. Breathing out, I feel the joy of being connected. Breathing in, I know that I am alive. Breathing out, I feel the joy of being connected. Now you are learning a new way to comfort yourself, to become calm, to feel grounded and solid. You are learning to pay attention to the thoughts, the feelings, the happy, the sad, all without judgment or attachment, simply watching mindfully and gently, and then letting go. You are connecting with the deeper wisdom and the higher wisdom. You have made an act of commitment to yourself, of kindness to yourself, of courage. You are learning a different way to ease the pain and find peace and control. Now focus your attention back onto your breath. Breathing in, feel a sense of calm and awareness. Breathing out, smiling to yourself. Breathing in, feel a sense of calm and awareness. Breathing out, smile to yourself. Taking careful note of this place that you are in this moment, this place of wise mind, suspended between reasonable mind and emotional mind. They are present. And you have chosen to rest here in this place of wisdom, of inner wisdom, of wise mind. And now becoming aware of your body in this place, beginning to visualize the room around you as you remain fully aware and mindful.